Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create GitHub repository and how to host any website using GitHub. So prerequisite for this video tutorial is that you have to know some programming in terms of programming language, and you must have your own GitHub account so that you can experiment on it. So let's begin today's agenda. I have created these two files, index.html and styles.css, and I will show you how I can upload these two files on my GitHub repository. Using these two files I have created this web page, and I will show you how I can host this web page, because using this URL I will not be able to access this web page always, because right now as I have opened the go live option from VS Code, that's why I can access the web page. But if we disable this port, and now if I want to access this web page using this URL, then it will show error, unable to connect this port. So after hosting the website, you will able to access the website from anywhere in the world. So let's begin. At first open the browser and then you open your GitHub account. I have opened my GitHub account. After open, you will see that this kind of interface. To create new repository, you can click on this icon, this new icon. Else there is another way to create repository, that is you have to click on this profile button, then click on this profile option, then click on repositories. Now from here you can create your repository by clicking on this button, new. This is the repository page where you can give the repository name, repository description, etc. Here I have to choose some name for my GitHub repository. So I choose here project 2, and this description section you can give some description about your repository. I give here as it is a resume prototype. After that you have to choose this option, public. Otherwise, if the repository is private, then other user will not be able to access this repository. So you make sure that it must be chosen as public. After that you have to add a readme file, so click on this checkbox, then click on create repository. Your repository has been created. Now you have to upload file that you want to upload in this repo. So click on this add file option. Now click on this upload files, choose your files. It will bring you in your computer file system. So I have this file to add in this repository, so I have to click on open. So my index.html has been uploaded in this repo. So similarly I can do same work for styles.css. Now styles.css has also been connected with this repo. Now I have to give some messages, and that is I have to make some commit change. So here I give this is my first commit. After that, click on commit changes. So your repository has been created, and in this repository you have 3 files. Readme file contain this two things: project name as well as project description or repository description. To host website from this repository, you have to go on this settings option. Now here you can see a lot of options. Among them you have to click on this pages option. This is after clicking the pages option, you jump on this GitHub pages. Now from here in branch section, you have to choose main branch. There. Now click on save. Now your GitHub pages resources saved, and you have successfully host your website on internet using this GitHub repository. So to access the web page, you will be given a URL by GitHub. Using this URL, you can access the web page or website. So for that you have to wait a few minutes. This whole process takes some few minutes, so you have to keep patience. Yes, you can see it here. Your site is live at this URL. Using this URL, I can access the same web page that I have shown earlier, and you can access the website using this URL from anywhere in the world. See the same page I have shown earlier. So this URL, in this URL you can access this web page. See. So this is all for today's video. If you still have any doubt, then you can comment me. I will try to solve those queries. So keep learning, stay happy. Thank you.